In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download booking confirmation from Booking.com. This is the document you can save or print to show at check-in or keep for travel and tax records. So let's walk through it clearly from start to finish. Begin on the Booking.com website. Open your browser, go to Booking.com, and sign in with the same account you used when you made the reservation. This matters because your bookings are tied to that account, and you'll only see the correct trips once you're logged in. Once you're signed in, look to the top right of the page for your profile icon. Click it to open the menu. From there, choose Bookings and Trips, sometimes labeled My Bookings. This takes you to your list of reservations, where you can view upcoming and past stays. If you have many bookings, glance at the dates and property names to make sure you're selecting the right one. Next, open the reservation you need the confirmation for. Click the booking to see its details. On the reservation page, look near the price area for an ellipsis icon, the 3 dots. Click that, and from the drop-down, select View Booking. This brings you to the full booking details, which is where the confirmation options live. Now, find the option to get your confirmation. Depending on the version of the site you're seeing, it may be labeled Booking Confirmation, Download PDF, or Print Confirmation. Any of these will deliver the same result. If you see a print button, go ahead and click it. That typically opens your browser's print window. From there, you can either print a hard copy or save it digitally as a PDF. In most browsers, you can change the destination or printer to Save as PDF. Choose your folder, give the file a clear name like the property and check-in date, and then save. If you don't immediately see the confirmation option, scroll the page. Sometimes it appears near the top of the booking summary or at the bottom of the details. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. Double-check that the reservation details on the confirmation match your travel plans before saving. And consider storing the PDF in a folder you can access offline on your phone or laptop. That way, even if you don't have internet at check-in, you'll have the document ready to show. That's it. By signing in, opening Bookings and Trips, selecting your reservation, choosing View Booking from the ellipsis, and using the confirmation or print option, you'll have your Booking.com confirmation downloaded and ready whenever you need it.